Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Netflix. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you don't have the Netflix application already, then you can simply go to the Microsoft App Store and then search for Netflix. Once you find the application, you can click on the Get button and this will install the Netflix application on your PC. Now you can simply open up the application by clicking on the Open button or by using the Windows search feature to open up the application. Now once the Netflix application is opened up, you will see the Get Started button at the middle. In order to sign in to your existing account, click on the Sign In button at the top right corner. You will now be asked to enter your email address and your password. So just go ahead and type in your email address followed by your password and click on the Sign In button, and this will sign you in to your account on Netflix. In case you forgot your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password button and reset your login credentials from there. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Netflix. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.